Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
On a 2016 Honda Civic, find the fuel door release lever on the floor to the left of the driver's seat. Pull it firmly to pop the fuel door open. If the vehicle is locked, the fuel door remains locked, so unlock the driver's door or use your key fob first. The lever is a small black tab roughly 2 inches from the door sill. Use one finger to pull it toward you, then step out and open the fuel door fully by hand before reaching for the gas cap. With the fuel door open, grasp the gas cap and turn it counterclockwise until it stops. Remove the cap and let it hang on the tether or place it face up to avoid contamination. The tether secures the cap to the filler neck, so you won't misplace it while filling. Insert the nozzle and refuel, then remove the nozzle and replace the cap by turning it clockwise until you hear one solid click, which confirms a proper seal and prevents the check engine light for an improperly sealed tank. After you replace the cap and hear the click, close the fuel door firmly until it snaps shut and then lock the vehicle to secure the filler. If the release lever does not pop the door, first ensure the car is unlocked, then try a firm pull on the lever. Occasional stiffness clears with a deliberate pull. If the cable is broken or the door stays jammed, you can inspect the release cable area from inside the trunk, or have a dealer or qualified technician repair the mechanism to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.